Hey, Pembroke coming to you from my gear room. I just want to share with you how I have revised the packing of my Atlas 46. It's now pretty stabilized in terms of what I carry in it, and just want to show you its contents in a little bit more detail so you can see how I'm using it. As I said in a previous video, I'm sure this will change, but for now it's working for me, and I'll just keep tweaking it as I discover the need to do so. So thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Hey, welcome back. This is the Atlas 46 tool roll pouch. I paid $69 for it before Christmas, and now the price has jumped to $85 online. Candidly, I'm not sure that I would pay $85 for this. It's not that it's not well made. It is well made. It's made from strong, durable goods. But if you're jumping the price from $69 to $85, virtually overnight within the span of a month, that says you're out for making some profit. And so I think the popularity of the product has gotten in the way of its value. Okay, that being said, let's take a look at the contents that I have here. In the opening flat zippered pouch at the top, I keep one item, and this is the Mild Trail Co. Poncho UL Tarp. This is a multi-purpose item that weighs about 7 ounces and provides me with both shelter in tarp form or rain gear in poncho form. It also is long enough to cover a backpack if you want to have a pack cover option as well. So a multi-purpose item is ideal for a little kit like this. I can also pitch it for a kitchen tarp if I want to when I'm camping. And that is the sole content so far anyway of this flat zippered pouch on the top. Okay, moving on to the first main pouch. Here I have a complete first aid kit. I have a compass, I have a bandana, I have basic toiletries in the form of some wet wipes as well as some toilet paper. I have a plastic trash bag or two, and I also have a deuce of spades trowel for digging cat holes if I need to use the bathroom. Okay, as we move on to the second 3D pouch, we have the food and water kit. Now obviously I don't have everything in here. For example, I might carry in my actual cook kit, my pots, some tablets to purify water as well. But this is what I always have here as options. One of the things that I always carry is my bear bag kit, because I'm often in places that require me to hang my food. This includes a 50-foot reflective hank of paracord, the throw bag that you see it in, the orange bag, as well as a carabiner, a regular carabiner that's capable of supporting my own weight. You see the Morsel Spork XL. This is a new product. I really like it because it has a rubberized scraper that allows you to scrape your pot. Another bandana here for dedicated food use, and then lastly the Katahdin Bee-Free water filter, and that comes with a 3-liter reservoir. So this is my second 3D pouch contents. Okay, the next pouch is my tool kit. This includes my lighter kit seen here with extra fuel and fuel tabs. Also includes a full repair kit, a sharpening stone and an open-L sharpening steel, a Baco Pro saw, a Mora Garberg stainless steel knife, a Maglite flashlight, and also 4 extra lithium batteries. Okay, the fourth and final pouch contains my kits. This is my backpacking fire kit that contains multiple forms of ignition and tinder. It also includes my rope kit, which features a lot of paracord, bank cord, or bank line, and some Zingit, some really high-strength Dyneema line. It also features a light-duty carabiner, a locking carabiner for whatever I might need it for, as well as the Hero Clip, which is a swiveling carabiner on a hook that is great for hanging up a backpack or keeping gear off the ground, whatever you may need, or hanging things off a backpack. So that, and a black trash bag liner. This is heavy duty. It can be made into emergency shelter. It can be used for whatever you want to use it for. That is the sum of my Atlas 46 kit. I hope you have enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments, please post them. I'll be glad to get back to you soon. And thank you for watching. Bentbrook out.